Hey, today on this video, I'm going to show you the 4-step sequence on how to generate tons of leads from Facebook groups that you do not own. My name is Brian Mills and I'm excited for this video. So you see it all the time, don't you? It's a case of Facebook groups are packed full of people, obviously little congregations that make it such a great place for you to attract clients. Now, I get it. Obviously, a lot of people are doing it. So how do you stand out from the noise? Now, obviously, it's quite funny, really, when you watch these little people, not these little people, but people put posts out, like an A or B question is possibly the best way to describe it. They get tons of engagement. And you go, wow, that really, really works. Bet you any money if you look behind, pull back the curtains, look behind his lead generation and see how many leads came from that yes or no question. Organic marketing versus paid, like Apple versus Android, those type of questions to get high engagement doesn't always necessarily mean you get leads. So how do you actually post in those other groups? One, without getting banned. Make sure you do not get banned. So follow the rules. Okay, but there is wiggle room in terms of how you utilize other people's Facebook groups. So the first thing you want to do is you want to obviously jump in there and add as much value as possible. And what do I mean by value? Is like go in and post value posts, give plenty of tips, loads of great ideas that helps your niche with the problem you solve. Position yourself as the expert. You are an expert at something. You are definitely a step ahead of someone else. You are definitely not higher, but obviously more advanced than the people you're trying to help, and that's why you're trying to pull them up the mountain. So position yourself as an expert, whether it is a long value post, whether it is a graphic, or whether it's a video similar to this where you go on and provide as much value as possible. Position yourself as the expert. Now, the second thing, obviously the two-step process, there's two other things. So with your post, your value post that you put out, make sure you manage the comments correctly. Don't just address all the comments at once. Allow the post to live longer than 4 hours. And by doing this, you add comments or reply to comments every 30 minutes to an hour. Now, yes, this takes up time, but obviously if you're really dedicated to generating your business and generating leads for your business, it's worth doing it. I once had a post that generated me 300 leads over 30 days. Now, no post lasts that long, but you can make it happen by replying to the comments in stages, and always leave an open-ended question at the end of each comment. That will extend the life value of your post, which means more people see it. The second part of comments is go in and add value to the people who are already asking these questions. Go in the search bar of that group and type in the specific key terms that you're looking to help people with, whether it's mindset, whether it's inner child work, whether it is funnels or ads. Like, go and find people who are asking questions and go and comment on the comments and go comment on the post. Okay, position yourself as an expert again by providing your perspective, your value on it. Okay? And by doing that, yes, you boost up their post, but obviously if they're asking a question, they're not touting for leads at this point. Okay, but you are positioning yourself as an expert, and 9 times out of 10, your comment, or if you're one of the last comments, your face shows up at the bottom comment sections. Therefore, people are getting eyeballs on you at the same time as that post. So go and be the expert in those comments, reply to those comments. Now, the next thing, the third thing that you have to do at this stage, once you've got those two things running together, is connect with those people. Now, do not connect with these people and go, hey, I'm sliding into your DMs. Can I tell you something? Because you're just going to get a virtual slap around the face. I would virtually slap you around the face. If you were close enough, I'd run to you and slap you around the face. Do not pitch on your first message. Connect with these guys. Hey, thank you for commenting on my post. Obviously, thank you for liking my post. If you thought obviously we were interested in the same thing, it'd be great to connect. That's it. Okay, because then you use your profile funnel, which is the fourth thing in that step, to nurture those leads. Use that messenger, obviously connect, add them as a friend, speak to them, but do not pitch them straight away. Use the 3 phases of messenger, which will be on another video. I'll link it below. Use the 3 phases of messenger. Then obviously connect with these people, use your profile funnel, which is the 4th thing to do. Okay, and your profile funnel is obviously nicely set up for people to know exactly what you do and how you help them. Okay, so that is the 4-step process in order for you to generate leads in Facebook groups you don't even own. I mean, it's just a great place to be. Think about it. If somebody has went and rounded up all your potential leads and put them in one house, you just need to go walk around the house and be good at what you do. Show them what you know. So that is the end of this video, guys. If you've liked it, obviously, please drop a like or a comment. I'll get back to every single one, hand on heart, and I promise. If you really love the value, obviously, I'm doing more videos on Facebook marketing and online marketing. So please hit the subscribe button and follow my videos. And hopefully I will see more and more and more of you as you get tons and tons of value from these. Okay. There will also be a link to my free Facebook group, the Coaches and Consultants Cool Kids Club, down below in the comments. Feel free to come and join us, obviously, where we get 10 times more value. I'm there every single day for my community. So guys, obviously, see you soon.